Early humans kept a fire burning at the entrance of his cave to prevent the wild animals. Gradually, the practice of eating cooked food was started. So during this period, early humans, they used to kept a fire outside the you can say entrance of their cave, so that they can prevent wild animals to enter their cave. And with the invention of the fire, we can come, or we can conclude that finally they have started cooking their food. So as you can see in this picture, discovery of fire changed the life of the early humans. So with the discovery of the fire, the life of the early humans were totally changed. Next is major Paleolithic sites. What are the different types of sites which belong to the Paleolithic age? Sites are those places where archaeologists discover tools, implement and other artifacts of historical importance. These artifacts enable us to understand different aspects of life our ancient predecessors had led. So with the help of these different types of sites which the archaeologists had excavated or discovered, we come to know that what are the different types of tools and implements or different types of instruments which were used in the Paleolithic period, and with the help of these we can also come to know what are the different types of things were used by our ancestors. Historical sites have been found on the earth's surface, under the earth and even underwater on some occasions. So historical sites are not only found on the you can say on the earth's surface, that means under the earth, but also even under the water also. A number of such sites associated with the Paleolithic age have been discovered across the Indian subcontinent. In the subcontinent. So in the Indian subcontinent, many of the different types of excavation or discoveries had done, which belongs and different types of tools were discovered, and they were belonging to the Paleolithic period. Most of these sites are located near large water bodies such as rivers, lake and springs. So most of the, you can say, different types of historical sites which were belonging to the Paleolithic age, it all belong to and they all were found near the water bodies, that is lakes, rivers or spring. Another striking features of these sites is that they are located in areas where stones are available in plenty. So the first feature is that the different types of sites which were excavated which belongs to the Paleolithic age was they were near the water bodies, and other is whatever the different types of sites or the different types of instruments which belong to the Paleolithic age which excavated by the archaeologists, they were found near the areas where there are ample number or plenty number of stones were present. The reason is that Paleolithic people used stones to make different types of tools for hunting and food gathering. So what was the main reason? The main reason was that with the help of stone they used to make different types of tools so that they can use it for hunting and food gathering. Places where stone tools have been found are known as factory sites. So what do you mean by factory sites? Factory sites means places where stone tools are found. That particular place is known as factory sites. As Paleolithic people lead a nomadic life, it can be presumed that they might not have stayed there for long. However, there are some sites where they might have lived for longer period. This is evident from the types of artifacts found there, which include not only some tools but also the objects and structure they use for other purposes. So with the help of the excavation of these tools, we come to know that they not only use they use these tools not only for the food gathering and hunting but for other purposes also. Such sites are called habitation cum factory sites. Most of these sites associated with the Paleolithic people are rock shelter and cave. So with the help of this stone they used to make different types of rock shelter and cave there where they can live peacefully. People might have chosen this place for the purpose of habitation because they could protect them from heat, rain and wind. So why they have used this rock shelter and cave? So that they can prevent their body from the heat, rain and wind. Such places are protected. Such places also protected them from wild animals also. Most of these rock shelters and caves have been found near the Vindhyas and in the Deccan Plateau region lying close to the Narmada river. So these are the areas where these sites were found. Some important sites in India, they are very important, please remember. The first is Mirzapur, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Next is Bhimbetka, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Pune, Chikri, Nivasa, Bori, they are in Madhya Pradesh. Karnool, Andhra Pradesh, and Hunsgi, which is present in Karnataka. So these are the different types of Paleolithic sites which are present in our India.